I don't feel much, I never could. But when I met Senpai, I began to feel love for once, like any normal girl would. I admired him, it felt so good. Some other girls like Senpai as well, but he's mine, so those other girls can go to hell. I'll stop anyone who gets in my way. Don't mess with the yandere. Go ahead and try to stop me if you're able. I got lots of sneaky options on the table. I could ruin someone's social reputation, or just make them face brutal damnation. I'll be sure to go to class and study, burn my clothes and wash up if I'm bloody. I'll be sure to let those smarter artists train me, so not even teachers can restrain me. Stay away from my senpai, 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 senpai. One week to prepare, 1 week to confess, 1 week to kill my rival and then clean up all the mess. But no matter who I murder, girls keep coming for my man. Guess the school is gonna end with all their blood upon my hands. Go ahead and try to stop me if you're able. I'm aware that my emotions are unstable. This could finally be my chance to not be lonely, so I won't let them take my one and only. I may lower my school's atmosphere, but I will not forget the reason why I'm here. I'm here for romance, I'm here for vengeance, I'm here for his affection. Stay away from my senpai, senpai. Will you please notice me?